Your refrigerator is begging you to stop doing this. Your refrigerator works 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. It's one of the hardest working appliances in your home. But many homeowners unknowingly do things that make their refrigerator work harder, waste energy, and shorten its lifespan. Today, we're covering the biggest refrigerator mistakes that could be costing you money and expensive repairs. Mistake number 1: overstuffing the refrigerator. A packed refrigerator seems efficient, but it actually creates problems. Your refrigerator needs proper airflow to keep food evenly cooled. When shelves are overloaded, cold air can't circulate properly. Some foods become too warm while others may freeze unexpectedly. An overstuffed refrigerator also forces the compressor to work harder, so leave space. Mistake number 2: leaving the door open too long. We've all done it. You open the refrigerator and stand there deciding what to eat. Every second that door stays open allows cold air to escape and warm air to enter. Warm air creates extra work for the cooling system. Instead of browsing with the door open, decide what you need before opening it. Your refrigerator won't have to work overtime to recover. Mistake number 3: ignoring dirty condenser coil. This may be the most overlooked refrigerator maintenance task. Condenser coils release heat from the refrigerator. When they're covered with dust, dirt, and pet hair, they can't do their job efficiently. The refrigerator runs longer, uses more electricity, and puts extra stress on the compressor. A cleaning every 6 months can improve efficiency. Mistake number 4: putting hot food directly inside. After dinner, it may be tempting to place hot leftovers directly into the refrigerator. But hot food raises the internal temperature. That forces the refrigerator to work harder to cool everything back down. Allow food to cool for a reasonable amount of time before refrigerating. Just don't leave it out so long that food safety becomes an issue. Mistake number 5: neglecting the door gasket. The rubber seals around your refrigerator doors are called gaskets. Their job is simple but important. They keep cold air in and warm air out. Over time, these seals can become dirty, cracked, or loose. When that happens, cold air escapes continuously. The refrigerator has to run longer and use more energy. Inspect gaskets regularly and clean. If worn, replace. Mistake number 6: setting the wrong temperature. Many homeowners never check their refrigerator temperature settings. Too warm, and food may spoil faster. Too cold, and food can freeze unnecessarily. Most refrigerators perform best around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, while freezers should be around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a refrigerator thermometer can help verify you're in the right range. Proper settings improve food preservation. Mistake number 7: skipping small problems. A strange noise, a little water on the floor, food not staying as cold as it should. These small warning signs are easy to ignore. Unfortunately, minor issues often become major repairs when left unchecked. Addressing problems early can save hundreds of dollars and prevent complete breakdowns. When something doesn't seem right, don't wait. Conclusion: your refrigerator is one of the most important appliances in your home. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can improve efficiency, lower energy bills, and help your refrigerator last for years to come. A little maintenance today can prevent a big repair bill tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.